we have 6 cars. This is the first one. It's a yellow car. Wow! This is the second one. It's a big jeep, red color jeep. It's run in the jungle. Wow! And this is a sporting car. The yellow sporting car. It's run in a race. Wow! It's a bigger one. And this is the smallest airplane. It's fly on the sky and it becomes robot. If we switch on this, it becomes robot. It's a transformer plane. Wow! It's a transformer plane. Wow! And now this is another car. It's a red car. And again it becomes robot. It's a transformer car. Wow! And the last one. This is a monster truck. It's running on the sea sand. It's good for running. Wow! Wow! It's a high-speed car. So total we have to run 6 cars. These two are the robo cars, robo plane, monster truck, yellow racing car, red color jungle jeep, and this is a normal car, yellow car. Now we have a gun. Now we have a gun, a green color gun. Wow! This is a jungle gun. In this gun, we will shoot in the car. We'll shoot this robo car. Wow!